In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and redeem PayPal gift cards. First things first, you're going to want to head over to the PayPal website. Simply open your web browser and type in paypal.com and you'll be on your way. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the login button, which you'll find in the upper right hand corner. It's big and bold so you can't miss it. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page. Here you'll need to enter your email address and your password. Be sure to input these details accurately to avoid any hiccups. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're all set, go ahead and click the login button again to continue. Now that we're inside your account, take note, PayPal doesn't actually have a direct method for redeeming PayPal specific gift cards. But don't worry, we have some handy alternatives to put those funds to good use. One option is to use your gift card for online purchases. This is perhaps the quickest way to enjoy what your gift card has to offer. Anytime you're checking out with an online retailer that accepts PayPal, use your gift card just as you would any other payment method. If shopping doesn't tantalize your fancy, don't fret. There's another method to leverage your gift card. You can try transferring the funds from your gift card directly into your PayPal balance. To do this, first navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section of your PayPal dashboard. Once you're there, select the wallet link, which will lead you to the area where you can manage all of your payment methods. Inside the wallet, you'll want to click on Banks and Cards and then search for the option to link a card. Grab your gift card and have its details at hand, because in the next step you'll be treating it like any other credit or debit card by entering its information into the system. Pay close attention to the card number, expiration date and security code to make sure everything is correct. After your gift card is linked, the final step now is to transfer the funds from this gift card to your PayPal account. Confirm the transfer and voila, you're ready to use your newly added balance for whatever you choose. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to making the most of your PayPal gift card's value. As always, make sure to monitor your transactions to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy spending.